This is way better than anything I've seen out there. Seriously. Welcome back to Digital Dopamine, the place where creativity meets cutting edge tech. Today, we're diving into something super cool. Sora is OpenAI's image and video generation tool. And yes, it's as wild as it sounds. Let's not waste time. Here's how to get started. Pop open your browser and head over to Sora.com. I've dropped the link down in the description. Once you're there, check out the Explore tab on the left. You'll instantly see a feed of jaw-dropping AI-generated art. Everything from surreal landscapes to hilarious mashups. Check this out. Jesus charging his halo like a phone battery. Over here, Harry Potter casually chilling with Luke Skywalker on the 4th of July. I mean, come on. Right away, you'll feel it. This is the future of AI-generated content. And guess what? It's crazy simple to start making shorts for YouTube, TikTok, whatever you want. Here's the deal though. On the free plan, you can generate up to 6 images per day, but no videos. If you're already subscribed to ChatGPT Plus, the $20 per month plan, you get full access to unlimited images and video generation via Sora. That's a steal in my opinion. Unlimited creativity for the cost of a pizza night? Yes, please. You can queue up 2 images at a time, and generation usually happens in seconds. Just a heads up, using the remix option also counts toward your daily image quota on the free plan. Let's look at some awesome examples I played around with. Here's a scene with Tom Cruise as all his blockbuster movie characters: Mission, Impossible, Top Gun, Collateral, all standing together like it's a reunion in LA. The detail, insane. How did I do it? Jumped over to ChatGPT, asked it to create a prompt for Sora. Just copy the prompt and paste it into Sora, and boom, awesome results. Didn't love the first result? No problem. Just hit edit prompt, make a few tweaks, and regenerate. I created a prompt template to make it easier to get these types of results. You can find it in the Google Doc below. Next, I wanted to push things further. I typed up a prompt to create a Muppet-style cast of an iconic movie. First try? Not bad, but with just a few changes, I got something way better. You can literally tell who each Muppet character is now. Can you guess what movie this is? Drop your answers in the comments. I want to see who gets it right. Let's keep going. This time, I created an anime-style poster based on one of my favorite sci-fi movies. I even uploaded a reference image into ChatGPT so it could stay true to the style. Super cool feature, right? Check this out. Almost nailed it, except Princess Leia showed up twice. Oops. So I updated the prompt to say, don't duplicate characters. And just like that, fixed. Pro tip, watch out for copyrighted material. If your prompt is too close to the original artwork or image, Sora might not generate the image at all. Just change things up a little and you're good to go. By the way, if you're enjoying this or learning something new, smash that like button and subscribe to keep the AI sauce flowing. All right, back to the good stuff, videos. Right below the image tab, hit the videos button and prepare to be amazed. Look at this first-person dune buggy race clip. It feels like you're right there inside the action. Totally AI generated. Absolutely wild. Sora even gives you editing tools like recut, trims your video in a new way, remix, reimagines the same idea, blend, combines 2 different videos, loop, creates seamless looping content perfect for background visuals. Dopamine unlocked. You can also sort by top to see the most liked videos and images from the community. Expect to find some gold, and maybe even a few hilarious, borderline political memes. Look at this Freddy Krueger meets Cheech and Chong. This is on point. The look and feel gives you that old school appeal from that era. One last thing, keep it clean. If your image is too spicy or suggestive, Sora will reject it. So stay creative, but respectful. Another tool you have within videos is Storyboard. Storyboard will allow you to use AI To seamlessly alter scenes within Sora, just type the changes you would like to make, and Sora will do the rest. Wow. Alright folks, that's a wrap for today's deep dive into Sora, the AI image and video generator that's changing the game. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and like, subscribe, and maybe even share it with a fellow creative who needs to see what's possible with AI. Let me know in the comments what kind of content you want to create with Sora. Should we try horror next? Maybe Pixar-style animations? You tell me. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and peace out from Digital Dopamine.